Hey guys, welcome to the video today. As you can see, it's snowing again here at my house. And guess what time it is? It's time to give this old girl another cold start. I just got done checking the antifreeze, the oil, and all that happy-go-lucky stuff from it. And clear off my windows here a little bit so I can see when I go out on the road. I do have a whatchamacallit, scraper, but it's in the truck. So we're gonna see how big of a bitch it's gonna be to start. It hasn't ran since I think Sunday. And today's Friday, so almost a week. So we're gonna see how well this goes. Alright, clutch in. 6 pumps of gas. Turn all this stuff down. Alright, better turn it down so I don't get no copyright. Fuel pump run a few seconds. Wow. Yeah, that's what I thought. That was too good to be true. Runners are going to sit here and trying to see if it'll stay running by itself, but I don't know. Yeah, I need to clean my truck out. Let the clutch out here, see if it's gonna stall. Alright, well, that's good. Alright. That's pretty much what it sounds like. Except for this is a cold idle. Supposed to get more snow today. On that note, I want to say thanks for watching, stopping by, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe for decent content about every other day, sometimes more than once a day. All depends on when I get the bug to upload, but with the holiday season here, it's like a hit and miss, but I try to put a video up every other day. Try to. So until next time, guys, I just want to say thanks. Thanks for all the likes, the comments, and recent subscriptions. Well, recent subscribers, I should say. I hope you have a safe and happy holidays, and to those of you that aren't offended by this, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks.